What's up, everybody? It's Lalo in Lexus, Columbia, and I am standing out here with the LC coupe that I'm selling next to the LC convertible that I'm driving, my baby right there. And I just have sold that flare yellow Inspiration Series LC 500 to this wonderful gentleman who lives up in New Jersey. He's had a number of LCs. Of course, as you see, I drive it, I sell it, I love them. These vehicles are absolutely gorgeous and immaculate. Look at it. Pleasure it is to drive one of these every day. The one that I had before my convertible over there, I had a coupe and it had a white interior like this as well, except everything that's black in there was actually blue. Absolutely love that vehicle. Grown to love this one as well, I must say. Yeah, so as you see, Disney Vacation Club member, so you know, 3 daughters, my wife, we love Disney. So yeah, there's gonna be some Disney videos coming out as well. Definitely gonna be some good Disney footage. We got a lot of it already. Got to kind of put it together and whatnot. So yeah, excited, you know what I mean, to be putting out some of that stuff. That's everything, you know, it won't just be only about the vehicles, these beautiful cars, you know, some of them is gonna be about the lifestyle as well, which is definitely important. You know, family is super important to me. I love the fact that I'm able to do something that I love, using these wonderful, beautiful vehicles to be able to provide for my family on a very high level, you know, and I appreciate everybody out there that's watching, all of my customers. I love y'all so much. All my customers who become, you know, clients who become friends and everything. You know, I mean, some like family. I absolutely adore y'all. I love y'all. I'm so appreciative of everything. That's why I got the big smile on my face. It's because, you know, when I'm able to provide you guys with some enjoyment, some happiness, and put y'all in one of these wonderful, luxurious vehicles, you know, it puts a smile on my face. You know, it really does. We get some pretty outstanding stuff here at Jim Lexus down here in Columbia. The #1 Lexus dealership in the entire country for customer satisfaction, y'all. This vehicle right here, this is a 2019 Inspiration Series that we got in and took in. $147 miles. This is a vehicle that we were able to bring in with 147 miles, a 2019. And no, you did not hear incorrectly. That is absolutely correct, 147 miles. Beautiful yellow stitch hand stitched everything. The leather is just so soft. Yeah, stitch. This yellow Alcantara right there. I mean, it's just wrapped up. Such nice material. So, like I said, this car is let's see, it's gonna be getting picked up probably some point tomorrow. Transaction just is getting finished up, maybe in about an hour or so when the paperwork comes back. Had to overnight some stuff, it's getting overnight back. Boom, done. So of course I can sell a vehicle somewhere else in the country. Of course I can. Come on now, it ain't no problem, man. It ain't no problem. So I'm excited. I hope you're excited too for what's to come. These beautiful, beautiful vehicles. This one definitely is about this car, this video. Later, we'll do something on my car, most definitely. But yeah, I'm excited. Hey, listen, if you have not done it yet, subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be coming out with some amazing things, some fun things, some entertaining things, some educational things. It's gonna be a nice mix of a whole lot of everything, all right? So again, if you haven't hit that button, go ahead and smash it, all right? Because it's gonna be some good stuff coming, all right? So look, let's do it. If you like this video, if you like seeing these beautiful cars and whatnot, then definitely hit that like button for me, all right? If you like it, just go ahead and like it. You know, it just take a little extra second. I know sometimes we're like, I gotta get to the next video. Go ahead and do it, all right? And then when you finish, go ahead and tap that button right over there too, and watch the next video that I got lined up for you, all right? Let's do this. Lalo at Lexus Columbia signing out.